Hey everyone, today for science we are going to be making another Christmas ornament, and on this ornament we are going to be growing crystals. Can you guys see the steam coming from my hot cup of water? Check this out. I just heated this water up in the microwave so that it would be really hot, and we need our water to be hot because we are going to use something called borax. This is what was sent home in the little cup. Borax is what you can use to wash clothes with, but we're not going to wash clothes with it. We are going to make this ornament. So I have a really big container. You don't need a container this big. I just needed something clear so that you could see mine, and this is what I found. You might have a large measuring cup like I have here, or you might have a coffee cup you can do yours in. But use your bag at home. Take your yarn. You have a piece of yarn and you have a snowflake. Look, I tied my snowflake up at one end and I tied my pencil up at another end. And I discovered that mine was still a little bit too long for my container. So I am tying mine up again, and hopefully this will work. I might have to adjust it a little bit more, but I need this pencil to sit on the top of my container. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my hot water in. Make sure you have an adult helping you, okay? I don't want you to get burned or get hurt. So I'm gonna pour, ooh, there I went. I'm gonna pour my hot water in. And that's probably more water than I need. So look, my hot water's in here. Now I'm just gonna take my borax and I'm gonna pour it straight in. I'm gonna use all of this cup. Look what it looks like right now. And we are going to make that dissolve. You saw all that white powder, right? Ooh, I can even see a chunk of it floating around in there. Let me see if I can break that up. We want it to dissolve. That means it kind of disappears in the water. So stir it up really good. That's why you need your water so hot, to make sure that it all dissolves in there. And then you're just gonna take your ornament and you're gonna drop it down in. You wanna make sure that your ornament doesn't touch any of the sides or the bottom. And let me show you what I have right now. See my ornament in there? It's kind of floating around. And now we wait. And what's gonna happen is the borax crystals, or the borax laundry detergent that we put in there, it is going to harden as the water cools down. And it will attach to whatever's in there. So it's going to be attaching to our pipe cleaner snowflake that we put in there. And so probably after one day, so probably tomorrow, when I check on mine, I will see little tiny crystals all over my salt dough ornament. I hope that you guys try this science experiment at home. That way you can have your own ornament to keep. This is a borax ornament that Miss Taylor made with my little girl, Audrey, when she was in pre-K. And that was 4 years ago. And look, it's held up so well. Look at all the crystals all over the pipe cleaner. And we used a white pipe cleaner for this one, so our blue ones will probably look a little different. So all the borax finally dissolved, and you know how it was all white looking? Now it looks clear. Hopefully yours does too at home. And tomorrow, hopefully you will have a really pretty crystal ornament. Now, you have one more thing in your bag, and that is this piece of ribbon. So tomorrow, when your ornament is done, Mom can tie your ribbon around your ornament. You can cut off the yarn and put the pretty ribbon on and hang it on your tree so you have something else special to add to your tree.